to be creating a My Map through Google Maps. So at your Google search bar, we are going to type Google My Maps, enter, and then at the top, we're just going to click on Google Maps. We just want to make sure that we are in Google My Maps up in the top left corner here. Then we want to go to create a new map. Click on that. This then comes to the United States, widescreen. At this point we can either zoom in using our plus, our hand, we can click and then drag. But we want to get into Colorado and find Silverthorne. And here it is. Another way you can do this is just typing Silverthorne, comma, Colorado, CO, and then search, and it'll bring it right to it. Okay. So our next job here is going to be finding our school. So we want to zoom out a little bit and then zoom in. We can see the Blue River here with all the blues are ponds. And Silverthorne Elementary School is located right here. And before we do this, I actually want us to title this map. So we can click, show you what I did there, upper left hand corner where it says Untitled Map. We're just going to click on that and it opens this new window where we can type in outdoor, your name, Mr. Bunnell, outdoor ed map. Here we'll just save for right now. And now that we found Silverthorne Elementary School, you can click on that. Oops. Get it in the center. And this is where I want us to label our school. So our jobs are going to be labeling our school and labeling our home, where we live. Okay? So for this, we basically want to come up here and add a marker. Now I get my little crosshairs and put my crosshairs right on Silverthorne Elementary, and it says point 1. This is where I'm going to just type Silverthorne Elementary School. And down here in this open box you can type any kind of blurb about loving school. This is where I go to school and I love it. And we save. Okay? Now we have that mark right there on the school. Next job, we'll zoom out a little bit, pressing the minus arrow. And at this point, you're going to try to find where you live in Silverthorne. So up here is Wilderness. We have Rainbow Park over here. Those of you who know me, I live right over here. So again, I'm going to add marker, this little dot, and I have my crosshairs, and I'm just going to click on where I live. And I'm going to put my home and then a little blurb. I live behind the post office. I have a tree house. I built a tree house for my daughter. And save. Alright, so now we can zoom out, get it in the center, zoom out some more. We should have two blue markers here. One for Silverthorne, one for your house. And over here we have, to the left, we can see those two markers. Okay? So at this point, you need to do the same thing. You can rewatch this video as many times as you need to get a good idea of how we do this and what we're doing. But your first three tasks are to, number one, start a Google map, My Map, label it with your name, Outdoor Ed Map, and then label Silverthorne Elementary and your home. Thank you. Happy Googling.